Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things innovative and practical. Today, we've got something special lined up for you, the ultimate powerhouse in the world of rotary tools, the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. If you're someone who loves getting hands-on with DIY projects, crafting, or even professional work, this kit is an absolute game-changer. Trust me when I say, this is hands down the best Dremel Multi Tool you can get your hands on. Let me walk you through what makes this kit so incredible. First off, versatility. With 61 accessories included, you'll be able to tackle a wide range of tasks, from sanding and polishing to drilling and engraving. It's like having a whole workshop in the palm of your hand. But wait, it gets even better. This cordless rotary tool features 5 speed settings, allowing you to tailor the power to suit your needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find the perfect speed for every task. And can we talk about convenience? This tool is compact, lightweight, and powered by a rechargeable battery, giving you the freedom to work anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. Plus, with quick USB charging, downtime is kept to a minimum. But here's the real kicker. The upgraded LED design illuminates your work area, ensuring precision even in dimly lit spaces. And with its comfortable grip, you'll have total control and accuracy, just like using a pen. Don't just take my word for it. Customers everywhere are raving about the performance, ease of use, and incredible value this kit offers. From hobbyists to professionals, everyone can benefit from adding this tool to their arsenal. So there you have it, folks. The HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit, the best Dremel multi-tool on the market. If you're ready to take your DIY game to the next level, this is the tool for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy crafting!